Hello and welcome to webmastercampus.com. In this tutorial, we are going to learn replace all occurrences of a string using JavaScript. Okay, so let's get started. Let's create an index.html file. Okay, and now I'm going to write HTML5. Let's go create an H1. In this one, I'm going to write down the topic of this tutorial. Okay, let me write down. Click Start Live Server. So our message is displaying over here, and now I'm going to create a script tag. In this script tag, we will write a string message. Okay, let's do this. Let message. Okay, and I'm going to create a message. Let's say webmastercampus.com helps professional to become valuable professional. Okay, you can see I have just write down the message. Webmastercampus.com helps professional to become valuable professional. Okay, let's display this console.log, and I'm going to use message over here, and now we are going to check this message in our console. Okay, so here is our message. Now let's see, we want to replace this professional word professional because it is appearing 2 times in this message with an expert. So let's see how we can do this. I'm going to create another variable like updated message, and this one, and I'm going to use message dot replace. Okay, and I'm going to use /g comma expert. Okay, so within this // I'm going to write down professional. Okay, this is a syntax, and it says find professional globally, like all occurrences, and replace it with an expert. Okay, let's display the console.log, and this time updated message. That's it. Okay, let's save this. Now you can see expert to webmastercampus.com helps expert to become valuable expert. So 2 occurrences of professional replaced with expert. Okay, so you can see how easy it is to replace all occurrences of a substring inside a string using JavaScript. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my channel.